Good morning, everyone. How are you all? This is your English class, and today's topic is letter H. Okay, and what is the sound of H? H. 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 Hand. H. Hand. This is a hand. Okay. H. Hut. H. Hut. This is the hut, and its color is brown. H. House. H. House. And this is a beautiful house. Is it? H. House. H. Hat. 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 This is a hat. And its color is brown. H. Hole. H. Hole. H. Hair. And show me your hair, all of you. Wow, touch your hair. Okay, H. Hair. Okay, class. You have to learn the sound of H and the vocabulary of H. Okay. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.